Okay everyone, I went ahead and conditioned some Premo Accent Clay Silver on a number 5 on my pasta machine. And I went ahead and put it on a piece of paper because once you start using alcohol ink, it might spill over. I'm going to use alcohol ink. Let's see, this one is Latte. This one is Teakwood. It's pretty dark, but I like it. I'm going to be using a Mirative gold, and I'm also going to use Carmel alcohol ink. So if you ever want to know what these are my swatches that I created using the alcohol ink to let me know exactly what it looks like with 2 drops of each. Well, this color would be 2 drops of this and 2 drops of that, so it lets me know. It gives me like a baseline of what it looks like. I do have a tutorial on it. If you'd like to see it, I'll go ahead and link it up above. So what we're going to start with is we're going to start just drizzling it with different colors of ink. We don't want to really cover the whole silver because we do want some of that to show through. So I'm going to start with the lightest, which is the Latte, and I'm just going to drop it everywhere. And then and you're probably going to have to do this several times just to layer it because you might want to change it up somewhere. I'm going to use Carmel on top. I'll go ahead and turn it around so I don't hit the same spots. And then I'm going to go with Teakwood. And this is the darker one, so you want to be a little bit more stringent on this one, not so much. But this is the one that gives it a really nice accent though. So we'll go ahead and spread that. And now I'm going to take a straw and I'm going to gently blow just to move it around. There you go. You might get a little dizzy, so just kind of take it easy. I'm going to let this dry just for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the gold mixative. And make sure you shake these bottles up because that good color stays right down here on the bottom, and you want to get it completely mixed. This one we're also going to just drop a few drops on. And we're going to blow this one around now. Starting to come around. Now I'm going to start to add the colors one more time. So I'm going to start back with the Latte. Alright, there we go. We're going to let it dry, and I'll be back as soon as it dries. Give it at least, I would say, maybe a couple of hours to dry. You really want it dry because you're going to be touching this and forming it into something, into your focal. So you really don't want to be touching it when it's wet. So I will be back.